antagonize our enemies, not to mention represent a massive shift in our foreign policy.
I disagree. We send in troops, reinstate Rashad as the rightful president, and we'd actually be reinforcing our efforts in the Middle East. Until then, we'd have to grant Rashad sanctuary, of course.
Sanctuary.